Hata nyinyi muonekane basi.
Ndio hiyo.
Ikoaje?
Iko tamu kabisa.
Iko bie.
Kweli.
Safi. Baadaye mnajua Jamaica? Mnajua Jamaica?
Ala.
Mnajua nini
kuhusu
Jamaica?
Nini unajua kuhusu Jamaica? Actually, ni mimi nimepika ama Jamaican girl. But najua Kiswahili. Nimetoka Jamaica. What do you know about Jamaica actually?
About reggae music.
Oh my God, guys! I had to serve my it's my neighbors actually for today because they are just around. They are the ones who have helped us. Collecting firehoods actually, and I'm so excited actually. I had to call them. We celebrate this together.
Yes.
So, you were talking about reggae.
Yeah.
Can you sing for us one reggae song? Just a bit of it. Just a bit of it.
Chronics. I like a lyric like Chronics.
Nayo
twende.
Msanii.
Kidogo tinda kusaidia mali utanini.
Hi.
As you enjoy our Jamaican pumpkin rice.
Wow. Smile for me in Jamaica.
Oh yeah. No, I'm going to help you, Mali, najua.
Smile for me, Jamaica.
Hey.
Never you cry, never lie.
No.
And you?
For you, Jamaica.
Yes, I.
At the end, I say smile. Smile.
Yes.
Smile for
Jamaica.
Hey.
Smile for me, Jamaica.
Yes, I.
Jamaica smile for us. They are smiling as they are enjoying their pumpkin rice.
It's so sweet, eh?
Yeah.
It's so sweet.
Awesome, good.
Yeah.
So sweet.
That is it.
The whole crew.
It is sweet. So sweet.
So sweet. Yummy.
Wow.
Big up.
Big up.
I've really enjoyed.
Thank you so much. I'm Claudia Works. You can check yourself out on YouTube channel. I go by the name Claudia Works on YouTube. He is John Wambua TV on YouTube. Vivian around there and live with Musenya. We are all Kenyan YouTubers. I personally representing Jamaica to the world.
That
My YouTube is called Smiley Shy.
Yes, and she has a YouTube channel called Smiley Charlie.
That is
Yes.
it.
That is it. Guys, that is it for you today. Just let me know where I went wrong in cooking the rice. And I know maybe there are some corrections over there. I'll try it next time. Remember, this was my first time and I've tried my best. So make sure to subscribe. Take Claudia Works to 10,000 subscribers. And guys, see you in the next one.
That is
Bye
it.
bye.
One love.
One love. Respect.
One love.
Ati nini? Kwani
You have
uko?
enjoyed the rice, right?
Yeah.
Nimeenjoy too.
Oh, so the person who have cooked the food can become a wife. Is a wife material in
Is
short?
a wife.
Wow.
Not he cannot become.
Do you have a wife?
Is a wife already.
A wife
Do you,
already.
do you have a wife?
No, but
Do you have a wife?
No.
You guys, you don't have wives.
maybe a girlfriend.
You have a girlfriend. You have a girlfriend. You have a girlfriend.
Yes.
Hey, you have girlfriends. No, not about becoming a girlfriend. No, I want to become your wife, not a girlfriend, right? Because I can cook for you. You have had all my food taste, man.
I can be so proud.
You can put some. Yes. He is blushing, man. So you look good, by the way.
Thank you.
Okay, now we can dance. Like, let's practice, eh? Sing for me one Jamaican song as we dance.
Yeah.
Chika, you want love it again?
Nayo, one love,
Oh,
one heart. Let's get together and feel alright. Hear me sing on one love. Hear me say one heart. Give thanks and praise to the Lord, and we will feel alright.
Oh my God!
Let's get together and feel alright. Again, let's get together and feel alright. That's what I want.
So guys, because of that, guys, I'm a generous person. Let me give them a hug. Is that okay? You guys, what right. Thank you so much.
Thank you too.
Thank you so much for the support and for the love. See you in the next one, guys. We are coming. We are coming. We are coming. Big up.
Big up.
We're flying up to